Hi everyone, today, we're going to take a look at the 5 best Yanagiba knife on the market for this year. First we're going to show you our 5 best picks, then we'll talk about what you should look for before buying a best Yanagiba knife. You can find timestamps and links to all the products we mentioned in this video down in the description below. Let's get started. The Japanese have always been known for their knife making. They have knives for every single purpose, especially the traditional Japanese cuisine. A large part of Japanese cuisine uses raw, fresh fish fillets. The fish fillets need to stay in their shape. As the fish is eaten raw, the taste needs to remain fresh. The knife you cut the fish fillets plays an essential role in maintaining the fish fillet's shape and taste. And you will understand how a knife can change your sashimi game when you get your hands on one of the best Yanagiba knives. Yanagiba knives will let you fillet or cut your fish the way you want. And to choose the knife with maximum comfort and quality, you will first have to know about these knives. You will have to select the one you will be most comfortable working with among different styles and features. And that is what this article is about, everything about Yanagiba knives. Number 1. Yoshihiro KKYA300SH Yanagiba Knife. The knife is a handmade Yoshihiro Kasumi knife. The Yanagi knife is a long slicing knife, specially made to cut fish into thin slices for sushi and sashimi. This is a traditional Japanese knife. It's a powerful ingredient in chef's choice. The elegant thin blade preserves the ability to slice the fish with awareness and through a component of the stroke. Caution: do not use for a cut on bones, nutshells, and frozen foods. Materials making knife. This is Yoshihiro Shiroko High Carbon Steel Kasumi Yanagi Rosewood Handle Sushi Sashimi Chef Knife. These high-quality knives are being made with great care by master craftsmen. Made with a hardness on the Rockwell scale of 62 to 63. A beautiful fog pattern called Kasumi is being created by imitating white steel No. 2 with iron. So it does not spoil the texture and taste of the food. The Yarashi is a thin, flat rim that increases the strength of the blade at the weak end due to the surround of the Urasuki. Handle material wood. Where made? The knife is being made in Japan. Japanese 100% handicraft knife. Yoshihiro knives are handmade by artisans with a lineage that spans several centuries. Yoshihiro knives are being made from 14th century medieval Japanese swordsmiths who employed fire, iron, and water handling techniques. Recommendations. This traditional Japanese knife should use with care and attention for long-term use. Only wash and dry by hand after use. If working with acidic ingredients, be sure to clean immediately. Pros: blade material high carbon white steel. Authentic single-edged grind knife. Balanced fit knife for comfort. Elegant and functional blade cover. Shirtan rosewood handle. Cons: do not dishwasher. Number 2. KYOKU Samurai Series Yanagiba Knife. Compared to other expensive Yanagiba sushi sashimi, KYOKU this Yanagiba low-priced knife is of much better quality. This knife will become a natural extension of your kitchen craft. The Culinary Samurai Series knives are on the cutting edge of handicraft cutlery. This knife has versatile capabilities. With incredible edge holding, the knife is a super durable KYOKU Yanagiba knife. The knife is ideal for professional chefs and cooking enthusiasts. The knife is specially made for the preparation of Japanese cuisine. The Yanagiba knife is ready to cut your raw fish fillets into thin slices. Materials making knife. The beveled sashimi knife is being made of cryogenically treated high-carbon steel. This knife has the greatest sharpness and durability. The handle is being constructed of wenge wood for an authentic style. The handle ensures incredible durability as well as the largest comfort. Corrosion-resistant knife. Superior steel, knife produced from HRC 56 to 58. The resulting knife is super sharp, cobalt-added, and hardened for cutting. The knife is thinner and stiffer than its Western counterpart due to its superior material. The edge is being made by skilled craftsmen in a mirror polish on the 11 to 13 degrees double side. Where made? Country of origin China. It's not only a knife, it's a great helper in your kitchen. After the samurai fall in 1868, Japanese swordsmiths applied their skills to cutlery. Warranty. Lifetime warranty, Japanese steel Yanagiba sushi knife. Pros: cryogenically treated for superior strength knife. Time-honored design. Durable wood handle. Artisan handcrafted cutting edge. Cons: made in China. Number 3. DALSTRONG PS-9inch Yanagiba Knife. This is a powerhouse knife. This knife is a symbol of beauty and purity, with a sharp razor and exceptional performance. Great opportunity, the chance to get a high-quality Yanagiba sushi knife affordable price. This is the best Yanagiba sushi knife in terms of technology and tradition. Not a coincidence, this is the best affordable Yanagiba knife in my reviews. From basic materials to quality for making knives. The manufacturer has 100% commitment to quality. Materials making knife. This traditional knife is being made following the Japanese high-tech process. Blade material is high carbon steel. The knife is well carved. The blade features have a hand-polished spine and an ergonomic bolster shape. The full tang knife from Japanese AUS-8 steel at 58 plus Rockwell hardness. The knife boasts exceptional sharpness, edge grip, strength, and durability. Black Spanish Paca wood handle. Hand polish handle. The handle will ensure exceptional durability. Where made? This knife by made in China following the Japanese high-tech process. Yangjiang is a city in China. This city has a tradition of making knives, which is more than 1,400 years over. Warranty. Rocksolid has a 100% satisfaction or money-back guarantee. Lifetime warranty knife against defects. Recommendations. After using the knife, wash it with water and keep it dry with a cloth. This increases the durability of all knives. Pros: high carbon steel knife. The perfect knife for a beginner chef. Super sharp, balanced, durable blade. Excellent knife, great value for money. Lifetime warranty. Cons: caution, please check compatibility before purchasing. Number 4. Imarku AA55 Yanagiba Knife. This knife is famous for its prolonged and durable use. The knife blade is capable of remaining sharp for a long time without rusting. This quality makes it the best sushi sashimi knife or Yanagiba knife. These features save you from sharpening your knife frequently and saves a lot of your knife because we all know how difficult it is to work with dull knives. And when it comes to sashimi knives, it is impossible to get that raw fish in shape with a dull knife. The high-carbon stainless steel blade has a length of 10 inches. This entirely long, slick blade ensures the perfect cuts of your fillet all the time. Its ultimate sharp blades cut through your delicate foods like raw fish without smashing them. The handle of the knife is made using paca wood, which gives the handle strength. The ergonomic design of the handle ensures you a comfortable hold with either hand. The handle is perfectly balanced, which decreases any chance of accidents. This helps you hold the knife properly and work faster. The extremely sharp edges of the blade can cut through any soft food item. The razor-sharp edges are handcrafted and mirror polished by seasoned artisans. The knife blades maintain a sharpness of 80 to 100 at HRC. The knife is angled 12 to 15 degrees at one side. This beautiful knife will be your most fantastic companion while making Japanese dishes or slicing any soft-textured food. The maintenance of the knife does not require much. As the blade remains sharp for long, you need not sharpen them regularly. To keep the knife as shiny as new, all you need to do is not wash it in a dishwasher. The blade is made of stainless steel, so you do not need to worry about getting your knife rust or corrosion. Pros: remains sharp for quite long, the sharpness of 80 to 100 at HRC, ergonomic handle, 12 to 15 degrees blade cut with minimum physical effort. Cons: cannot be cleaned in the dishwasher. Number 5. Yoshihiro Aonamiuchi Blue Steel Yanagiba Knife. Blue steel is used in the construction of this knife, which gives it an elegant look. But this knife will also amaze you with its performance. This handmade knife has a hardness score of 62 to 63 at Rockwell score. This makes the knife a few times harder than any other regular knife. The long, thin blade was designed to smoothly cut through the food, creating lean and even slices of food. The knife is a bit heavier than the regular knives because of its blade's construction and structure. It has a wide and thick spine. The sword tip of this sashimi knife maintains the weight balance and helps you work with it efficiently. A combination of Urasuki and Shinogi in the construction of the knife prevents it from causing the least damage to the cutting surface. These are the names of two rims that ensure the knife blade creates pressure in the needed places while cutting. The handle of the knife sits perfectly on the handle made of traditional Japanese WA style. This octagonal handle is light in weight. The ergonomically designed handle makes it easier to hold and work with. The wooden handle is an addition to the elegant look when it is not in use. It also protects the knife. And is talking about protection, this knife made with traditional Japanese techniques is more decadent and sharper. So, it is needed to be handled and maintained with caution and care. Its sharpening and cleaning should be done carefully. Pros: the long, slender blade, traditional octagonal wooden handle, wooden sheath for extra protection, does not damage the surface. Cons: the wooden handle might hurt hand after extended use. Final verdict. Today we learned about the best Yanagiba knives or sashimi knives and their uses. These knives are one of the best kinds of Japanese knives. Japanese are famous for their knife making. They turn their knives into pieces of art by their skill and creativity. Not only these knives are appeal to your eyes and make your kitchen look elegant, but they give fantastic cutting experiences too. Their performance will amaze you. Once you start using them, it will get difficult for you to use any other knife. They have blades for different purposes. This Yanagiba knife gives you excellent performance and helps to make sashimi the way you like. This article portrays everything about Yanagiba knives. All you need to do now is just go and buy one and start making unique Japanese dishes.